How to change account in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change account, tap on to settings at the bottom. Just right here. Tap on it, then here you can find my profile, just right here, select it. Now tap on to edit at the top, just right here, tap on it, then scroll down and here you can find add another account. Now select it, and from here simply add the number and tap on to continue, and after doing that you will make a new account and simply you can change your account by doing this. And that's it. This is how you can change account in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.